or whatever social media app you use, and it's like hey, and then add like a couple emojis, and you know it's gonna be fucking like spam.
Just send me the virus link, dude. It's gonna come on.
Okay, so that happened. Yeah. Wow. Hello folks, and welcome to another episode of Confused Gamers. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to say that. Anyhow, this weekend me and my best bud were playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare Beta. And before we get into anything, this wouldn't be possible without Royale Computers and Accessories in the Pavilion Mall. They sponsor all our gaming videos now, so big shout out to Royale Computers and Accessories in the Pavilion Mall. Anyhow, this is the beta of the new Modern Warfare coming out later this year, and one of the big selling points if you're on the rock or you don't know about Modern Warfare is that this year, for some magical reason, Activision got the ability for PlayStation users, computer users, and Xbox users to play on one platform. You heard me right. All three platforms are playing in one game. So you'll be matching up against people who have a PS4, or you might match up with people who have a computer, or you can match up against people who have an Xbox. And I've seen games where you have all three in there playing. Anyhow, Modern Warfare is pretty straightforward and simple. You shoot and try not to get shot. It's very hard not to get shot, but yeah. Anyhow, me and my friend, we took on, quick play where you have a decent amount of people to run up and down, shoot. You have your classes that you can set up, your kill streaks, you have your clan, everything you can set up. You know what? Enough talking. Let's just see how this game plays. Oh, and by the way, due warning. I don't tell you some cause whole heap of bad word already when I play a game. My brethren them worse than me. Be warned. Yo, Dave, roll the clip!
And start clap. Sit down people in good still. Did you know that you can also set up your sitting them in our match? Yep.
Oh, you changed them thing there.
What?
Like the
Add attachment and something?
No, the banner thing them, like your flag and them thing there.
Is it over in barracks? Oh, yeah, player, so.
Well, I can't tell you, say if I something there.
What's it like that?
The headquarters was screwed again.
If I headquarters, now go to the big Walla Walla, man. Look at the headquarters. Big up the big Walla Walla.
Headquarters.
Yo!
Capture and
Me
defend
and my
each HQ as it comes online.
120 shot I got talk to
HQ
people.
identified. Secure the area.
Medeyaso. Yeah, capture.
Setting a claymore.
Oh, God.
Reloading. HQ is online. Secure it. We're at the HQ. Stand by. Reloading.
What grenade there? Fuck off with that, Bridget. Go suck yourself with that grenade. Who is contesting my place, man?
Secure the HQ. Stay alive. We're in control. HQ contested.
Fuck, I don't know. Yo, me de pa na roll. Pussy like a man stun me.
Run clip! The man smoke up the place and run in. Big bad I'm boy.
Good man. You have a missile going there. Black, you ask me kill a random brother, but I know you go off a
Next
screen.
HQ up in 10. Get ready.
You actually missed
You
that,
never tell a
Sash.
brother. Watch it, I'm gonna try to kill me. Brother, the big walla talking, clear me, don't clear out the man, them, you know.
New HQ established.
Blood clot! Big walla. Yo, brother, the big walla. The big walla,
Friendly counter UAV
drop one counter UAV right at them.
Suck your mother. Don't go up the slide down past the bullet.
Enemy on the HQ. Get over there.
I'm the worst, man. Oh,
The HQ. Reinforcements inbound.
yeah.
HQ up in 10. Get ready.
Where do this again? You hold on for me. No, blood.
Bumbleclaw. Yeah, man, take a headshot, pussy.
Allied cruise missile away.
Fuck you already, you feel like I need to go kill.
Bombard. My man there. Man, fuck me upstairs.
Cruise missile. Take
You
cover.
not kill me with that, you know? Fuck your move.
Yo, me, I kept me there, you know, but I'm me alone.
No man, you don't think. It's just a man that behind me and the see. A man always
HQ
fucking
is
the
online
behind me.
securing.
Take
We've got
headshot,
a
you
UAV on station. Ready for flyover.
On the steel, man.
Yo, a
Enemy
bugger
on
man
the
there.
HQ. Get over there. Cruise missile. Go for launch.
How this a flame rocket just?
A foolish.
Fuck you are 2 hours and we just rocket in that
They've
rat.
taken the HQ.
But the man then take the HQ anyway.
Bumbleclot, a sniper brother there at the wall of the 8 pick up behind one barricade.
You get him in your head. In dead.
Yeah man.
What revenge! Bombard, man had me come through the
On the
window.
upstairs. Boy, we team now go on with that shit brother.
You know what man me
Down
kill?
the enemy HQ.
And still man there in there kill the man. Man walk yourself.
Enemy cruise missile incoming. Take cover.
Bombard,
HQ.
seriously?
Say you just kill another blood clot Martin.
Okay, get ready to move.
Bumbleclot.
Yo, the man that still let the man there in the bathroom and take a shit.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Can't believe you man.
Yes, how much enemy UAV there in the sky? You see, I have to admit, it's fun playing Modern Warfare with a friend or a couple of friends. It's just really nice in this intense gun battle. And here you can see that we're just having a lot of fun. And the quick play matches were pretty well good, except for one that was like elimination, which is Cyber Countdown. But you have headquarters, team deathmatch, domination. All of the playlist was pretty good. And then we end up on ground warfare. Jeez, man. 30 versus 30. Whose idea was this? Seriously. You know what? Just take a look at this.
Whoa, somebody behind you?
Yeah, me kill it.
Yep. Oh, good. What? Somebody else.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, but it's a tank that? Okay, yeah.
What? Somebody profile ago.
Oh, yeah.
Tank, take a tank.
I'll leave the two around there, so. Oh, heavy iron.
Heavy?
I'd put them on that.
Enemy in Delta. Go. We're taking him.
Yeah, rocket. Not clean.
No, my rocket done. So I'm still up.
Yo, a bag of man there, you know. Yeah, 10 1 to go.
Assist your team
What
in Bravo.
was on the flag there?
Come on, I can't take her. See that shit? What's your bag?
Whoa, tank in front of the enemy. Move up with the left. Yeah, keep going, brother. I shoot off out. Keep going.
Alright, you go to see.
Losing B.
They look like a bag of man there. Oh! No man there over here. I see them.
Allied UAV overhead.
Yeah, man.
Enemy UAV
Oh, yeah,
overhead.
do rocket launcher. You know?
Come on! Hit! Oh, you exit!
What?
Allied cruise missile launched.
I never know say that you use exit.
We capture 2 players.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I go on good
Alright.
man.
I shoot on them UAV.
Allied UAV overhead.
You see it? Oh. Oh, you're good. Alright.
No, man, I 2 of them there. I shoot them there.
Bombard man, don't fuck me up. Oh shit! Bridget! One tank just slide come around the corner and go and that's it. They actually I look for the corner when the tank come through and me couldn't do nothing.
Enemy personal radar overhead.
Fuck off with your tank. Yeah, so what that behind me?
Allied IAV dropping in.
Oh, what that? No man, it's up in a corner with a sniper, you see? So that was the beta, and that was what we were playing for the weekend. Modern Warfare beta. There was a next playlist, but didn't really interest me, so I just left that one out. But yeah, if you're interested in this, and this year Activision is bringing back the story, so that's a plus. Last year they didn't even have a story mode in the game, it was just straight multiplayer. I don't know who made that call, but this year you have a story mission, and if it's anything to go like the beta, the multiplayer is just going to be fun. And the fact that you have PlayStation, PS4, Xbox and computer playing in one platform, you're gonna have a large player base. And make sure you check out Royale Computers and Accessories in the Pavilion Mall, because obviously they're going to have this game first when it releases. They always have the hottest games first for purchase, and if you buy your games online, they do offer PSN cards, Xbox cards at a reasonable rate. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and this has been another week. End of Confused Gamers. Peace.
Snakes in the grass, you gotta watch where you step. Blood on the leaves, you either kill or be killed. When there's food on the table, you either eat or you starve. And when there's sharks in the water, you either sink or you swim. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there.